Hi everyone, welcome back to Hobby Rocks. It's Tracy and I have another update. I only did one yesterday, but yesterday I told you about King Cole and Stylecraft getting back to me and sending me all this stuff to look through, which I still haven't had a chance to do yet, but I will, on the list of things to do. But as soon as I got off and I'd uploaded all my videos and I was making my lunch, James C. Brett guy called me and I hadn't heard from him for a while. He's a really nice young man called Chris and we had a long chat, and so I can get, once I've looked through everything, just have I need to have a good look at the things I want to see from James C. Brett and King Cole, and they'll send me some samples, which is brilliant. So we got to talking, and he knows this area very, very well, and a lot of the companies used to be here, and we were talking about stuff and potential yarns that I really like that are not in there under their umbrella. Now, James C. Brett have bought up a few companies recently, and the one that they did buy was Wendy. When Wendy Walls went under, they bought it up. So they've rescued it. And I was talking to him, and I said this to him before, that the one I really liked was Robin Paint Box. And I was quite disappointed that that was no longer available and that they'd sold their Robin stuff to massive warehouses and they were just going to get rid of it until it gone. So I guess they've had discussions about it and they've agreed to bring it back. And I love this yarn, I absolutely do. And they're bringing it back, but it won't be called Robin Paint Box. It'll be called something under the James C. Brett banner. But this yarn, which I absolutely love, this is the shade that I love the most. And this is coming back. Now, if you want to see what it looks like, over on Crochet Rocks, I made a blanket called Circle in the Sand for Easter, and it was multicoloured. But originally I just made a square called Circle in the Sand, and it's made with this and yellow yarn, which looks absolutely lovely. If I can remember, I'll put a link to those. You know, when the videos pop up at the end, I'll put a link to those at the end, and you can see how gorgeous this works up, and I really, really love it. So then they brought out this shade, which I have been making something with, and I can show you how that works up. This is one of my whips that I really need to finish. It's going to be a cushion. It's all in here together. Look, I am quite organised. I think I've tied this little organza bag, big organza bag, in a knot, and it was in a bow. There we go. I can reach in now, I think. Only just. Let's see if I can get it out. Here we go. So this is how it works up. It is absolutely, stay there, absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. I love that so much. It is so soft and it looks beautiful. So that's going to be a cushion. I really do need to get that finished. So that was this one, which was this was the first one I found. And I did buy two others. It wasn't this one. And the other one I can't find, but this is the kind of one with purples and greens. And they're absolutely dreamy. They really are. I have got one more, as I say, but I cannot, for the life of me, find it in my stash, which, you know, I have a large stash. So the other one that they're bringing back, which we spoke about, is the Noir, the Wendy Chunky Noir, and that will be coming back as well. And this is absolutely gorgeous. Now they brought out a blue, it's called Noir because it's obviously black, but with a fleck of blue, and it's got the gold thread, and the red is gorgeous as well. But they did bring out a green. There was purple. I have purple somewhere. I think it's in the other room. But this is the Noir range, and it's because it's black with colour. Isn't it lovely? And I did buy all I could find of that and sent out Summer's Happy Mail. but I can't get any more now. So that will be coming back, which isn't that just fan-dabby-dozy. So 2 of my favourites at least are coming back under different umbrellas, and I will definitely stock those should they come out. I just have to watch that space apparently. So yeah, good news really. All I need to do now is get that website done. So I need to get in touch with the other Chris, who is a website. People in my life all seem to be called Chris at the moment. So I need to get in touch with him and get that started, and well, started up, because he's been on holiday. So once that's up and running, I then have the nightmare of where I'm going to put it all. Fun. What? But it's a good problem to have, isn't it? Where you can put your yarn. So thank you for watching. Stay safe, everybody. Take care. And well, I'm just really, really pleased that this is not going to... I've got about 5 or 6 balls of it, and I've been kind of hanging on to it because it's all there is. So I'm kind of glad that it's not. I might use it again now. This one's pretty, but my favourite was the yellow one. So yeah, check those out, and I'll see you on the next update. Thank you for watching, and bye for now, everyone.